I wouldn't be pretending. Do we cheer?
Yay, Alyssa!
Okay. Having a baby comes with lots of decisions to be made, such as choosing the best pediatrician, whether to use pacifier or not, and possibly one of the most important decisions, whether to breastfeed or bottle feed. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that babies be exclusively breastfed for the first 6 months of their life, and that mothers continue to breastfeed throughout the rest of the year along with introducing foods. And according to the CDC's breastfeeding report card, in 2014, only 18% of babies born in the United States follow those guidelines. Breastfeeding has so many benefits when it comes to health, convenience, and economically for both babies and parents. So today, I'm going to explain why breastfeeding is the best choice. But first, let me point out that breastfeeding versus bottle feeding is a hot topic, and there are some circumstances that mothers can't breastfeed, and that's fine, that's what formula is for. And bottle feeding actually has some benefits as well. For example, the baby can be fed by anyone and anywhere, so that saves mom for some of those late night feedings. And also, mom doesn't have to watch what she eats or drinks, whereas breastfeeding mothers do. This means that breastfeeding moms can't enjoy a glass of wine because it will be passed on to the baby through the breast milk. But the benefits of breast milk are definitely worth giving up that glass of wine. So let's go on to discuss the benefits that breastfeeding provides to babies. Breastfed babies are typically healthier than bottle-fed babies, and this extends throughout their lifetime. Mothers pass antibodies through their breast milk, and these antibodies help to prevent or protect from infections and even allergies. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, breastfed babies are 3 times less likely to develop respiratory infections, and breastfed children have fewer cavities than bottle-fed children. Also, breastfed babies learn to quit eating when they're full, whereas when bottle feeding, parents usually give like the whole bottle to the baby, whether the baby wants the bottle or not. Therefore, bottle-fed babies don't learn to quit eating when they're full. And that could be the reason that bottle-fed babies are 20 to 30% more likely to be obese. Studies also show that breastfed children are typically more mature and confident, which is most likely because breastfed children have a better bill of health. Breastfed milk is easier for babies to digest. Babies are sensitive to formula, which means that parents have to try multiple formulas in order to find the one that works for their baby the best. And this can mean wasted formula and also a waste of money. Not only does breastfeeding benefit babies physically, according to the La Leche League, it also benefits them emotionally. The bond baby forms with mom while breastfeeding provides many benefits: physical, emotional, and psychological comfort. These benefits continue throughout their life. We can see how beneficial breastfeeding is for baby, so now let's look at the benefits for parents. Along with leading to healthier baby, breastfeeding also leads to healthier mom. According to the La Leche League, mothers who breastfeed lose baby weight faster because producing milk burns about 200 to 500 calories a day. I can attest to this because I lost most of my pregnancy weight in about a month. The breastfeeding also releases a hormone called oxytocin, which causes the uterus to shrink and helps prevent postpartum hemorrhage. Women who breastfeed tend to have lower risk of uterine, endometrial, and ovarian cancer. And just like breastfeeding benefits baby emotionally, it also benefits mom. Breastfeeding moms are less likely to develop those postpartum blues. Breastfeeding is also economically beneficial. Think about it. Breast milk is free. Formula is expensive. Now, I won't pretend that breastfeeding is completely free because you need to buy nursing pads, nursing bras, and a breast pump. And breast pump can be expensive, like about $250 for a good one, but that doesn't even come close to how expensive formula is. According to Kelly Pinata, a certified breastfeeding specialist, it costs an average of $1,733.75 for formula for just 1 year. And that doesn't include bottles you have to pay. You have to buy. Look at these prices. Which one would you rather pay? Remember how I said the breastfeeding babies are generally healthier? Well, that means less trips to the doctor and less money spent on doctor bills. So as you can see, breastfeeding is easier on the wallet. It's also easier on the nose. What do I mean by that? Well, exclusively breastfed babies do not have stinky diapers. Here's proof. This is a dirty diaper. You can't smell it, right? That's one of my favorite benefits. Breastfeeding can also be less of a hassle, especially for those middle of the night feedings, because there's no mixing a bottle and warming the bottle. So in summary, breastfeeding benefits both baby and parents. Mom and baby are healthier, time and money are saved, which makes for a happy family. Ultimately, the decision is up to you, but I say breast is best. Thanks.
Yeah.